Let's have example 3. Solve the rational algebraic equation 5 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x equals 1/2. The given equation is rational algebraic equation. So we will multiply both sides of the equation by the LCM of all denominators. This is the given equation. Meron tayong 3 denominators, x plus 1x and 2. Ang LCM ng denominators natin are 2x and x plus 1. Since wala namang common multiple, so kukunin natin lahat yung tatlong denominators. We will multiply to both sides of the equation. So how did we get this? Yung ating LCM, imumultiply natin dito. Ang x plus 1 ay pwede nating makancel. Kaya may iwan na si 2x multiplied to 5. Kaya nakuha natin yung 10x. And then another, we will multiply LCM to negative 1 over x. Okay, so makakancel si x, may iwan si 2 and x plus 1 dito. Imumultiply natin kay negative 1. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Okay, multiply to x plus 1. Equals, okay, dito naman tayo sa right side ng equation. Imumultiply din natin sa LCM. Okay, as you can see, si 2 ay pwede nating i-cancel. Okay, ang natira na lang ay x times x plus 1 multiply to 1. May iwan na yung x times x plus 1. Any number multiply to 1 is equal to itself. Next, let's simplify. 10x, let's copy and then distribute negative 2. We multiply it negative 2 to x, so we have negative 2x. Multiply negative 2 to 1, we have negative 2. Equals, distribute x to x plus 1. X times x is x squared. X times 1 ay x. Let's now proceed to step 2. Isusulat natin yung resulting quadratic equation sa standard form. Ito yung nakuha natin kanina. As you can see, nasa right side yung ating quadratic term. Dapat ay mapunta siya dito sa left side. Okay, bago yun, we will transform this 10x minus 2x minus 2. Okay, ililipat natin siya doon sa kabila. We copy. Okay, so magiging 0 na dito. Let's have the next step. Isusulat natin yung nakuha nating resulting quadratic equation into standard form. Ito yung ating nakuha. Okay. Gagawin nating 0 yung isang side. Okay, so since nasa right side yung ating quadratic term, okay, doon na lang natin idadala sila 10x, negative 2x, and negative 2. Ililipat natin si 10x, si negative 2x, and negative 2. May iwan na lang ay 0 dito sa left side. 0 equals x squared plus x. So, andun pa rin si x squared plus x. Ililipat natin si 10x. Kunin natin ang opposite ni 10x, that is negative 10x. Next, si negative 2x, ililipat natin. Ang opposite ng negative 2x ay positive 2x. So, we will add 2x. And then, negative 2, ililipat natin. Ang opposite ni negative 2 ay positive 2. I-apply natin yung symmetric property. Si 0, nilipat natin sa right side. At itong nasa right side, inilipat natin sa left side. And then, let's simplify. X squared, we copy x squared. X minus 10x plus 2x is equal to negative 7x. And then, plus 2 equals 0. Ayan. Nakuha na natin, na-transform na natin into standard form. This is the standard form of our rational algebraic equation. Pwede na nating gamitin yung any method of solving quadratic equation para makuha natin yung roots or solution. Let's now find the roots using any of the methods of solving quadratic equation. Ayan, yan yung ating standard form ng rational algebraic equation. Ano kaya ang pwedeng gamitin na method? Pwede kaya ang factoring? May factors kaya ang 2 na ang sum ay negative 7? Okay, wala. Dahil ang factors lang ng 2 ay 1 and 2. Okay, hindi natin makukuha yung negative 7. Hindi natin gagamitin ang factoring. Hindi rin natin pwedeng gamitin ang extracting square root. Ang pwede na lang gamitin ay completing the square o kaya ay quadratic formula. Let's use quadratic formula. Let's find the values of a, b, and c. Ang value ng a natin ay 1. Ang value ng b ay negative 7 at ang value ng c ay 2. This is the quadratic formula. Substitute the values of a, b, and c to quadratic formula. Negative times b, ang b natin is negative 7, plus minus, square root of b square, b is negative 7, so we have negative 7 square. Minus 4, ang a natin ay 1, so we have times 1. Ang c natin is 2, we have 2. All over 2a, 2 times a is 1, so we have 2 times 1. Simplify. Negative times negative 7 is positive 7, plus minus. Ang square ng negative 7 ay 49, minus 4 times 1 times 2 is 8. Okay, so all over 2 times 1, which is 2. Simplify. We now have x equals 7 plus minus square root of 49 minus 8 is 41 all over 2. Ayan. Pwede na nating i-separate ang positive and negative results. So, the first root is 7 plus square root of 41 all over 2. Ang next root natin ay 7 minus square root of 41 over 2. Let's do the checking. The first root is 7 plus square root of 41 all over 2. Masasatisfy niya kaya yung equation? So, this is our rational algebraic equation. Ito ang ating gagamitin. Substitute the value of x. So, we have 5 over, ang x natin is 7 plus square root of 41 all over 2. Kaya, pinalitan natin. Plus 1 minus 1 over, ang x natin is ito ulit. So, ito ang ating ginamit. Equals 1/2. Mag-equal kaya sa 1/2 itong dalawang to. Okay, let's try to solve. Ayan. So, yung ating numerator, copy pa rin natin, the same 5 at saka 1. Okay, so sa denominator, copy natin yung 7 plus square root of 41, and then we multiply 2 and 1. So, nakuha natin yung 2 all over 2. Dito naman sa denominator, sa second, kinopya lang natin. Equals 1/2. Next, isimplify natin yung ating equation. Paano nakuha yan? Si 7 plus 2 is 9 plus square root of 41. All over 2. So, si 5 divided by 9 is plus square root of 41 ay equal sa 5 times 2 over 9 is plus square root of 41. Kinuha natin yung reciprocal and then nag-proceed tayo sa multiplication. Kaya, si 5 multiply sa 2 is 10. And then, ang denominator na natin yung 9 plus square root of 41. Ganun din sa pangalawa, ang 1 imumultiply natin sa reciprocal ng denominator. Ang reciprocal ng denominator natin ay 2 over 7 plus square root of 41. Kaya 1 times 2, we have 2 over, so ito na yung ating naging denominator. 7 plus square root of 41 equals 1/2. Next, ayan, paano kaya nangyari yan? Kunin natin yung product ng denominators, 9 plus square root of 41, and then 7 plus square root of 41. After that, ipagmumultiply natin yung numerator sa denominator. Kaya meron tayong 10 times 7 plus square root of 41. Sa second naman, numerator times denominator. We have negative 2 times 9 plus square root of 41 equals 1/2. We will apply the distributive property. 10 times 7 is 70. 10 times square root of 41 is 10 square root of 41. Okay, sa pangalawa, negative 2 times 9 is negative 18. Negative 2 times square root of 41 is negative 2 square root of 41. Denominator, apply natin ang FOIL method. First terms, 9 and 7. 9 times 7 is 63. Outer, 9 at saka square root of 41, ang product ay 9 square root of 41. Sa inner terms, square root of 41 and 7, ang product ay 7 square root of 41. And last terms, square root of 41 times square root of 41 is equal to 41, equals 1/2. Let's simplify. 70 minus 18 is 52. 10 square root of 41 minus 2 square root of 41 is 8 square root of 41. For the denominator, 63 plus 41 is 104. 9 square root of 41 plus 7 square root of 41 is 16 square root of 41 equals 1/2. Apply natin yung factoring. Common factor ng 52 at saka 8, square root of 41 is 4. And then, kung kinuha natin yung other factors, 52 divided by 4 is 13. 8 square root of 41 divided by 4 is 2 square root of 41. Sa denominator, ang common factor ng 104 at 16 square root of 41 ay 8. And then, para makuha yung other factors, 104 divided by 8 is 13. And then, 16 square root of 41 divided by 8 is 2 square root of 41 equals 1/2. Ayan. Nakikita nyo ba ang nakikita ko? Okay, so meron tayong 13 plus 2 square root of 41 sa numerator, 13 plus 2 square root of 41 sa denominator. Pwede natin silang i-cancel. Kaya ang naiwan na lang ay 4 over 8 sa left side and sa right side ay 1/2. Simplify natin si 4 over 8, that is equal to 1/2, equals 1/2. Ayun. So, they are equal. So, the first root satisfies the original equation. That is true. So, tama ang ating first root. Tama kaya yung ating second root. Let's check the second root. 7 minus square root of 41 all over 2. Substitute to the original equation. Yung x ay pinalitan natin ng 7 minus square root of 41 over 2. Okay, ito rin. Ito yung ating second root equals 1/2. Kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina, copy 5 and 1, the numerators. Ito rin, ikakopy din natin. Ito ay ating imumultiply si 2 and 1. Okay, that is 2. Okay, so kinopy natin yung 7 minus square root of 41 all over 2. Tandaan, huwag kalimutan yung all over the denominator. Simplify natin. Katulad ng ginawa natin kanina, 7 plus 2 is 9 minus square root of 41. So, ito yung magiging denominator na natin. Si 5 at saka 2 ay pagmumultiplyin natin. Kasi nga, nagmultiply tayo ng reciprocal ng denominator. So, 5 times 2 is 10. Minus, so 1 times 2 is 2, that is the numerator, over, this will be the denominator, 7 minus square root of 41 equals 1/2. Okay, next, we will get the product of the denominators. So, yun yung magiging denominator natin. 9 minus square root of 41 times 7 minus square root of 41. And then, we multiply 10 and 7 minus square root of 41 minus 2, imumultiply naman natin sa 9 minus square root of 41 equals 1/2. Distributive property of multiplication, 10 times 7, 70. 10 times negative square root of 41 ay negative 10 square root of 41. Sa second naman, distribute negative 2. 2, 9 minus square root of 41. Negative 2 times 9 is negative 18. Negative 2 times negative square root of 41 is positive 2 square root of 41. So, always remember, negative times negative is positive. All over, so apply natin yung FOIL method sa denominators. First, 9 times 7 is 63. Outer, 9 times negative square root of 41 ay negative 9 square root of 41. Inner, negative square root of 41 times 7 is negative 7 square root of 41. And last terms, negative square root of 41 times negative square root of 41 is positive 41 equals 1/2. Simplify. 70 minus 18 is 52. Negative 10 square root of 41 plus 2 square root of 41 ay negative 8 square root of 41. Sa denominator, simplify natin. 63 plus 41 ay 104. Negative 9 square root of 41 minus 7 square root of 41 ay negative 16 square root of 41 equals 1/2. Kunin natin yung common factors ng 52 and negative 8 square root of 41. And that is 4. Kunin natin yung other factor. 52 divided by 4 is 13. Negative 8 square root of 41 divided by 4 ay negative 2 square root of 41. Sa denominator, ang common factor ng 104 and negative 16 square root of 41 ay 8. The other factor, i-divide natin 104 divided by 8, kaya 13. Negative 16 square root of 41 divided by 8 is negative 2 square root of 41 equals 1/2. Meron na naman tayong nakikitang parehas. 13 minus 2 square root of 41 divided by 13 minus 2 square root of 41 is 1. Kaya ang may iwan na lang ay si 4 over 8 equals 1/2. Simplify. 4 over 8, that is equal to 1/2 equals 1/2. They are equal. That is true. Therefore, our answer, the two solutions or roots of the equation, 5 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x equals 1/2 are 7 plus square root of 41 all over 2 or 7 minus square root of 41 all over 2. And now that you learned how to solve rational algebraic equations that are transformable to quadratic equations, I want you to take this challenge. Transform the following equations to quadratic equations, then find their corresponding roots. For number 1, x minus 4 over 5 plus 3 over x equals 2. For number 2, x plus 2 all over 3 minus 2 over x minus 4 equals 6. And for number 3, 4 over x plus 2 minus 2 over x equals 2 over 3. Good luck in taking the challenge. Before I end this video, I would like to share a simple quotation. Successful people keep moving. They make mistakes, but they don't quit. So don't quit. Just keep on solving. I know that you can do it. Thank you so much. Stay safe and have a great day.